Across the vast expanse of Inner Mongolia, the journey continues. Here, the land unfolds with a quiet majesty, shaped by wind, water, and time itself. Our path leads us first to Qixian Lake, a place where stillness becomes its own form of beauty. The lake lies calm and reflective, capturing the sky in a perfect mirror. Reeds rise gently from the water's edge, swaying in the soft breath of the grassland wind. In this moment, the boundary between earth and sky seems to dissolve. Beyond the lake, the land begins to rise. Hills stretch outward, covered in wildflowers, scattered like delicate brushstrokes across the slopes. Here, cattle move slowly through the grass, unhurried and at ease. Their presence adds a quiet rhythm to the landscape, a reminder that life here follows the timeless pace of nature. As we travel onward, the terrain shifts once more. The hills soften, the grass deepens, and the horizon widens until it feels infinite. It is here that the Morigele River reveals its graceful form. Approaching from the northern line, we ascend toward a viewpoint known as Qixian Lake. From this height, the river bends and curves across the grasslands in sweeping arcs. Its waters shimmer under the open sky, tracing patterns shaped by centuries of wind and flowing earth. The river's gentle movement brings life to the plains, nourishing the grasses that stretch far into the distance. Standing above the river, one can sense the scale of this land, vast, open, and profoundly alive. Horses graze in the distance, their silhouettes moving slowly across the fields. Clouds drift overhead, casting shadows that glide across the grasslands like passing stories. This place is more than a landscape. It is a living tapestry, woven from water, wind, and the quiet persistence of time. The curves of the river, the softness of the grass, the movement of the sky. Together, they form a harmony that speaks to the enduring spirit of Inner Mongolia. In this film, each scene has been chosen with care. The tranquil lake, the flower-covered hills, the sweeping grasslands, the river that bends like a painter's line. Every moment has been refined to reveal the depth and clarity hidden within the land. As the journey unfolds, on-screen notes will guide you through each location, offering a glimpse into the places where nature's quiet artistry is most profound. Beautiful Inner Mongolia is a tribute to landscapes shaped not by human hands, but by the patient work of nature. It is a reflection of rivers that carve their own paths, of hills that cradle wildflowers, and of grasslands that stretch beyond imagination.